Okay, welcome back guys. Today I am going to share such a great thing regarding the coin market cap. As we all know, at this time basically the BTC is going uptrend, and here you can see it by yourself. The BTC dominance is about 65.6% at the time of the video, and here you can see it by yourself. The one BTC price is about $8,994 and Ethereum price is $215. So that is a great thing, and even you can see it by yourself. All the coins and tokens are going towards the uptrend. So what are the basic reasons behind that? That is basically the key factor. So first of all, right now, before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. So the latest basically trend is this, that right now Binance, the crypto widget, incorporated on Brave browser. That is a great thing, and it is basically, you can say, a quite a latest news regarding the crypto. Here you can see it by yourself. The incorporation of the Binance crypto widget is the beginning of a digital currency love affair. The world's most you can say the best, the browser at this time, the Brave browser, on April 30 basically incorporated a digital currency trading widget that taps to giant cryptocurrency exchange platform Binance. Basically, according to the Brave browser, the incorporation of the trading widget is the first of its type between an exchange firm and our browser. The Binance crypto widget allows Brave users to purchase, convert and deposit digital currencies to Binance, on top of allowing them to view how much they have deposited on the platform. In addition, the Binance crypto widget is quite different as it is built in the Brave browser, as opposed to loading from the Binance website or other servers. As per Brave's head of communication, Catherine Core, the widget you can say that protects the users. The main thing, you can say, the whole funds will be secure. So here you can see it by yourself that at this time the Binance and the Brave browser basically incorporated. So right now all the users who will use the Brave browser can easily use the Binance, and they can save their funds quite easily and quite safely. So that is basically the most current news at this time in the crypto market. And here you can see the second latest news, that Tezos becomes latest blockchain to tap Chainlink for Oracle services. What is Oracle services? I will definitely basically mention this thing very soon in my any next video. And the last news which I am going to share with you, here you can see it by yourself. Data shows that ongoing crypto rally could be highly sustainable. So it means at this time the price is quite sustainable. So if you want to enter in the market, or if you want to convert your assets from the USDT or from any type of stable currency to the crypto, so you must have to take your funds over there. So definitely you are going to earn something. So right now these are the current you can say the main latest crypto news at this time in the market. So at this time you must have to take your all funds from the stable currency towards the Bitcoin or Ethereum, anything, whatever you like, it's up to you. So you must have to take it over there to earn something. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.